everyone, this is our research project evaluating building thermal resiliency under extreme weather events in Texas. I'm Joseph Thapa.
I'm Daniel Gomez.
And we have Nicholas Singh Yadavansi. Faculty advisor is June Yoon Park.
For our research overview, we have 3 stages that we went through. For the first stage, we explored different standards and compared them in terms of R-value requirements and cost. Second, we implement these standards to a DFW home built before the 1970s and simulate an extreme weather event, Winter Storm Uri. And then we analyze the effects of higher rated standards and compare the results with the original home standards.
As a background, extreme weather events like Winter Storm Uri has led to failure and even danger in occupants' comfort and safety due to underperformance of building thermal insulation. As more extreme weather events are expected in future, a new concept of retrofit design has been developed for buildings. As an experimental setup, various governmental and non-governmental standards has been compared in this research to evaluate the residential building codes in DFW area. The table 1, which is right here, shows that passive house standard has a detailed descriptions for various envelopes. We have ceiling, roof, windows, walls, and floors. And this is weatherization assistance program, which is also standard, and the R values are given here. Weatherization assistance program as building code standard is generalized, but the financial cost analysis, which we will see in table 2, indicates that it is more affordable than the other standards. The third one is building science standard, and the R value ranges are given here.
We compare building standards and use Design Builder and Energy Plus to model the building and run simulations that could be beneficial to determine the better insulation requirements. For these 2 graphs, we have 9 cases on each graph. We have a room air temperature and we have an operative temperature. On each graph, we have run 9 simulations, and we have a baseline case and 2 cases that show the kind of standards we're researching. For the first case, we have the original home with its original materials, and then for the second case, we do the WAP standard, and the third case, we have the passive house standard. Each case has 3 circumstances that we run the simulation through. First, we run it with full power, where the home experiences no power outage. The second case, we have a rolling outage where it turns off for about 2 hours intermittently. And then thirdly, we have a case where it has no power. The room air temperature shows the temperature that the zone or the indoor area experiences, and then the operative temperature takes in the comfort of the person within the zone and how it is affected throughout the night and throughout the whole winter storm.
So we also did the cost comparison of 3 standards, and there are those envelopes, ceiling, walls, floors. And the first one is for the weatherization assistance program, the second one is for passive house, and the third one is building science. We did it by dollar per feet square, and we can see here the building science standard has more cost than the passive house and weatherization assistance program, and weatherization assistance program is more affordable in terms of financial aspect. But we also compared the building code standards with ICC 2021, which is the updated version of IRC 2015 as well as ICC 2015, and we saw that the passive house is very much similar to the ICC 21. In conclusion, the main cause for underperformance of building during extreme weather events is lack of properly insulated building envelopes. Our research revolves around this response DFW has. During Winter Storm Uri, our results shows the effects of higher rated materials creating and maintaining a warmer and energy efficient enclosure. The various standards are providing an increase in thermal comfort resilience, which is very important in terms of the circumstances Dallas endured during Winter Storm Uri.
Here are our references that we used throughout our research project.
Thank you.
Thank you.